I'm gonna show you our freezer down. Okay. Okay, and okay, so this is tenderloin. I don't know how to make this work. Oh, it's cold. And I have fish. No! I'm pretty good. I am pretty and I'm good. Pretty good. Ow. This is the beans. Oh. Darn it. Darn thing. Darn thing. Another meat. And then another. So this plastic, guys, is for freezer. Okay. And of course, Pinoy tayo. There's always something. Seafood. My seafood diet. When I see food, I eat it. Okay. This big milkfish thing. Put it there. Go back there. And then, ow, it's just so cold. Oh, that's really cold. And there's another squid. Ow. It's really cold. And there's ice cream. There's fish. I really don't want this covered because if I don't see them, we're gonna buy again. And then actually we still have a lot. Put it there. Okay. Should just throw that away. It's been there for a while. This is a crab leg. This is a crab leg. Okay. Polansik. Then I'll put you in there too. So cold. It's freezing cold. Ravioli. Okay. That was okay. Majority of stuff I put it in there already. Chives. I didn't mind. Because there's ice cream here. It's French vanilla. Actually, there's 2 of them. I hate that sound. Okay. I still have space for you, so I'll go ahead and put you back. So that's it, guys. So there's ice cream. This is Oreo cookies and cream, French vanilla, no, vanilla, ice, and other stuff in there. And this is a frozen tomato, because I have garden this year, and then I just put them in there, so whenever I need some, I just go and get one and then cook them. My neighbor Anna May is the one who told me you can do that. I know in the Philippines it's all fresh and everything, but here you need to freeze and for you to use them winter time. Okay, so I think that's it, and sorry about the cluster, but I think I did good. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good one. Good. Bye.